Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to pause the watch history from being recorded in YouTube app on your smart TV. So whatever videos that you watch on your YouTube account is automatically listed and it is being saved under the history within the library, and it is also being used to give you recommendations based on your watch history. So in order to pause the watch history, what you can do is you can go to settings, and within the settings you can just go scroll down to pause watch history, and then you can turn on this option. So once you turn on this option, your history, the videos that you viewed, everything will be stopped, and recommended content will also be affected by this pausing of watch history. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.